Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download MP3 from ElevenLabs. So actually guys, first you will need to go to the ElevenLabs.io and then just log into your ElevenLabs account. After that you will need to go with the text to speech option under the playground section on the left hand menu, and then you will need to enter or pass your text, okay? And then just go ahead and select your voice from here and click on generate speech, okay? So when the audio preview appears, click the download button. It's here, usually, as I told you, a downward arrow icon, okay? So go ahead and click it, and then choose the MP3 format, or as the format selection appears. So I have the MP3 by default. As you can see, this is MP3, alright, and the file will download automatically to your device. And if you generated the audio earlier, go to history from here, and or projects, depending on your dashboard version, and find the audio file just from here, okay? And right then you will need just over it or on it and go and click on download, okay? So that way you can download the videos from, or the audios from, your history, and then choose the MP3 format. And yeah, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.